Ever wondered how to make money even when the market is down? Nifty put options might be your golden ticket. Nifty options are derivatives linked to the Nifty index, offering a unique way to profit from market movements. Choosing the right strike price is crucial. It can make or break your trading strategy. Global market trends can significantly impact your Nifty options. Stay attuned to international news and financial results. Traders often favor options with the highest open interest, but this requires a stable market to be effective. A balanced approach involves investing in both call and put options, known as a long straddle, to maximize profit potential. Optimizing expiration dates can lead to peak premiums, presenting lucrative opportunities for traders. Nifty options offer flexibility and diversification, allowing investments across various sectors with minimal risk. Daily trading of shares involves minimal risks due to the same-day buy-sell cycle, optimizing returns while mitigating losses. Incorporate these strategies to fine-tune your portfolio and gain valuable insights, guiding you towards successful trading. Consider the below 5 Nifty option trading strategies. Exploring Nifty put options, look for opportunities when market fluctuations move against short-term trends, and consider buying Nifty put options during these times. Consider strike price. Paying careful attention to the choice of strike price is fundamental in the realm of Nifty option trading. Traders must weigh the number of days remaining until the option expires when making this critical decision. Analyze global market trends. In the realm of Nifty option trading, being attuned to global market trends is indispensable. Traders often favor the Nifty option with the highest open interest. Explore both call and put options. In the world of Nifty options, traders often adopt a balanced approach by investing in both call and put options. Simultaneously purchasing call and put options with identical strike prices and expiration dates is a common practice. Optimize expiration dates. In the intricate world of Nifty options trading, optimizing expiration dates plays a pivotal role in securing profitable outcomes.